our files. They're here in the Finder. Here's the first one. So I can just zoom in and even rotate it. The computer should know how to do that. Same with this. And now we can go back into our patch we had earlier. Where is it? Oh, it's actually here. And instead of our duck, we're going to import our new file, read, and Calavera. Oh my god, here it is. Let's get it up. And yeah, we still have the handle, so we can move it over with command. We can move it forward or backwards with option. And we can give it a little push. All right. That's it.